Text, the best Jain Salsa sauce recipe. Text. Alright, let's start with our tomatoes. Drop them into boiling water for just a minute. This quick blanching trick makes peeling them super easy. You'll see the skin starting to wrinkle and loosen up. Once that happens, transfer them to some cold water. It stops the cooking process and makes them cool enough to handle. Time to blend these beauties into a smooth puree. After peeling and roughly chopping them, pop them into your blender. Give them a good whirl until you've got a nice, smooth consistency. We want it to be completely lump-free for that perfect salsa texture. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now for the fun part, let's get cooking. Pour that gorgeous tomato puree into a pan and add our red chili flakes, oregano, tomato sauce, salt, and that touch of sugar that balances everything out perfectly. Let this simmer away for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll notice it's starting to thicken up and the flavors really coming together. When those 5 minutes are up, it's time to add our Jeera powder. This is where the magic happens. That warm, earthy cumin flavor is going to take this salsa to a whole new level. Just 1 minute of cooking is all it needs to release those amazing aromatics into our sauce. Last but definitely not least, we're adding our fresh coriander leaves and a splash of lemon juice, if you're using it. Give everything a good stir. Look at those beautiful green flecks throughout the sauce. Now, just let it cool down before serving, and you've got yourself an amazing Jain-friendly salsa that's bursting with flavor. Time to enjoy. Subscribe to catch more delicious recipes.